Tight on space? Stack your washing machine and dryer with the Samsung Stacking Kit. It's available for any of our compatible 27-inch matching front load laundry pairs. Your stacking kit will include 2 guides, 2 types of brackets, 8 screws, and 4 bolts with lock washers. Be sure you've got all the pieces before getting started. You'll need a tape measure, a level, wrench and flathead screwdriver for leveling, a hex and Phillips head screwdriver or drill for the hardware, and definitely some help lifting the dryer, so make sure you have a friend handy. Before starting, make sure the space meets the installation and clearance requirements, including an additional 6 to 8 inches in front of the washing machine. Also, be sure that the power cord, vent pipe, and gas line, if needed, can reach the dryer when it is stacked. Check your user manual for more information about height requirements and door clearance. First, since the washing machine will be on the bottom, confirm that it's level to prevent shaking problems. The locking nut must be tightened to prevent the legs from moving. Next, with the help of your friend, lean the dryer to one side and rotate the front and back feet clockwise as far as they will go into the dryer. Then, position and snap the stacking kit guides onto the base of the dryer, one side at a time. These guides are interchangeable, so don't worry about which one you will use for each side. Now determine which of the metal brackets are to be attached to the back of the washing machine. For washing machines with flat control panels, you'll use Type A, which is the shorter bracket. If your washing machine has a tilted control panel, you'll use Type B, the longer bracket. On the rear of the washing machine, you'll need to remove the 2 hex head screws first, and then attach the proper brackets to the back of the washing machine using the provided Phillips head screws and bolts with lock washers. It's important not to tighten the screws just yet. Now, grab your friend to help you lift the dryer onto your washing machine. Do not try to lift the dryer alone, and be very careful. Lift the dryer slightly above the washing machine to avoid causing damage, and be aware of any obstructions above while lifting. Using the rails, align the dryer to the washing machine and push it back until it meets the metal brackets. Then, attach it using the 4 remaining Phillips head screws. Now, just tighten the 4 screws on each metal bracket to fully secure the washing machine and dryer. After attaching the dryer to the bracket, connect the dryer vent and power. Also reconnect the washing machine supply lines, drain hose, and power. And you're all set. With your friend's help one last time, safely move the stacked washing machine and dryer into the installation location.